Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Taurus. This is your daily love reading, Taurus. Let's see what's coming up. I'll be picking few cards from this deck, guys, and few more cards from the other deck. Taurus, with these cards, I feel someone is trying to, force you into something. This may be your person or your parents, someone who is older than you mostly, or your person may be okay, they are trying to dominate you and make you do what they like to do, they want you to do, okay. Or they may be providing some suggestions or decisions for regarding your financial position, okay. So that is also the energy here. They may provide you good counsel, but you feel you're being dominated and undermined, okay. That is also the energy here, and you feel lack of confidence and you're losing your time and energy during this day. Something is creating, someone is creating draining your strength, okay, internal strength. And they you may feel someone is taking credit for your actions, for your efforts. So whatever you are doing, they may take credit. It may be your person, or it may be in your work, or it may be the energy in vice versa, guys. Your person may feel this way about you, so that may also be the energy. You want to be responsible, but things are what to say not leading to it, okay. So you feel you are made responsible in any situation, okay. And they throw everything bad at you, okay. They just what to say um, you're in a responsible position, but the decisions are not yours, okay. So whatever mistakes they make, it comes becomes your responsibility. So that is also the energy here. For some of you all, you may be in a long-term commitment with your person. You may be committed, engaged, and you feel you're being used. Your time and energy, your resources are being used, and you lack confidence. You have low self-esteem. You feel that way, and you feel you're going into dead ends, okay. Whatever choices you make lead to dead ends, guys, and you're facing lots of challenges. Maybe emotionally you're feeling challenged, Taurus. So that is also the energy here. They are surely trying to control you, guys. That is the energy here. This may be your person, or it may be in your work. Somebody is trying to control you and make you do whatever they want to do, okay. So you feel your dedication and your your work, everything is undermined today. So that is the energy here. For some of you all, maybe you're signing some important documents, some kind of agreements also, That is also the energy here. Maybe some of you all are meeting with some people, person, okay, so that may be the energy here. You may be bonding with somebody, maybe finding a new friend whom you can talk your mind to, whom you can freely talk to. Maybe you're meeting somebody new to whom you can communicate your problems. So that is also the energy here. So whatever is happening, guys, it is destined. So whatever happening today, that is also the energy here. Maybe you're fulfilling some kind of destiny, guys, some kind of karma. That is why this is happening. So that is also the energy here, guys. So this person, maybe you're completing the karmic cycle with this person, and they are trying to dominate you, guys. That is the energy. Let me pick out 3 more cards from the other deck, guys. Let's see what's coming up. It will give us a better clarity, Taurus. Seek enlightenment. French will. Trust the fool. So Taurus, just like I was saying, it's the time for you to get answers within yourself. See what are your choices and where the path is leading you. So all that happens in our life happens for a reason, and we just have to take a step back and view our situation from a different perspective. Then we will understand that everything happens for a reason, guys. So you just have to go with the plan. There may be a divine divine plan working in your life. Maybe this is a destined connection. Maybe people are there to put you down, to bring out that confidence and courage in you. And maybe people may be overbearing, okay, to make you grow strong. So that may be the energy here, guys. You may, just like I said, you may find someone whom you can talk to the truth about the situation and take counsel, or maybe your old friend also who you value a lot, okay. So that may be the energy here. You may find a new friend for life also, guys. That is also the energy here. Someone whom you can rely on, okay, who will be there on in all times. Some kind of destined friendship, okay. Once the first time you see them, you feel that the understanding and between each other. So you will know in your heart that this person is your friend, okay. And the friend who brings a sense of togetherness. So you will feel very free. You may find this friend today, or you may meet up your friend you already have, okay, you with whom you have a good understanding. So Taurus, it's a time for you to introspect, think within yourself what you need in your life and what you are your goals to achieve, and go for it, guys, and think clearly, understand the situation and take decisions based on that. So that is the energy here. For some of you all Taurus, you may be growing spiritually also. There is growth, there is great emotional growth. When people put you down, try to dominate you, and try to control you. We always try to break free. So when we feel confined in some kind of situation, blocked, okay, we break out in some way. That is natural, guys. So you may try to develop many important qualities in your character which you need to face such people. So that is the energy, Taurus. So no need to feel bad and sad about the situation. All you have to do is just wait for the growth to happen within yourself and understand your situation, and you will surely reach the solution yourself, guys. So that is the energy, Taurus. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Taurus.